Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag washer not turning on. Let's dive in. The first issue may be the no power to washer. To resolve this, ensure the washer is securely plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device. Reset the circuit breaker if it's tripped. The second issue may be the damaged power cord. To resolve this, inspect the power cord for visible damage. Ensure the cord is firmly connected to the outlet. Replace the power cord if it is damaged. The third issue may be the control panel or locked or unresponsive. To resolve this, check for control lock or child lock indicator on the display. Unlock the panel by following the user manual instructions. The next issue may be the faulty door or lid switch. To resolve this, ensure the lid or door is closed properly. Inspect the lid or door switch for visible damage. Test the switch for continuity and replace it if needed. The next issue may be the start button not responding. To resolve this, press the start button firmly. Clean around the button to remove debris. If faulty, consult a technician to replace the control panel. The next issue may be error codes displayed. To resolve this, look for error codes on the display. Refer to the user manual or Maytag support website for troubleshooting code-specific issues. Follow the recommended steps. The next issue may be the blown internal fuse. Disconnect the washer and assess the control panel. Inspect the internal fuse for continuity using the multimeter. Replace the fuse if it's blown. The next issue may be faulty circuit board. To resolve this, assess the control panel and inspect the circuit board for visible damage. Test the board for faults with the multimeter. Replace the board if necessary. The next issue may be the motor issues. To resolve this, listen for humming or clicking sound indicating the motor failure. Test the motor for continuity using a multimeter. Replace the motor if it is defective. The next issue may be the temporary control glitch. To resolve this, turn off the washer and unplug it for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Start a new cycle to verify the functionality. The next issue may be the complex mechanical or electrical problem. To resolve this, contact Maytag customer support or a certified technicians. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.